Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to go over a midweek stock market update. We're going to talk about the S&P 500, the NASDAQ, and the Dow Jones. We're going to take a look at the VIX. We're going to take a look at the stock market futures and the Fear and Greed Index. Before we do, just to reiterate, not a financial advisor. Make sure that you do your own research. Also, if you find value in the video, smash the thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel if you enjoy our content, and hit the notification bell. That way YouTube can let you know every time we release new content. So let's dive right on into it, guys. Looking at the S&P 500. Okay, so we've had a massive, a really good bull run up until this point. We did cross over the red SMA line, which signals a longer term bullish pattern. However, we are losing steam. We're extremely overbought here on the 180-day 4-hour, which means we are going to come down some. However, it doesn't mean we have to come down anything significant. So today, the Fed minutes are going to be released. So that could be a potential catalyst for us if the market sees some things that they don't feel too comfortable about. Obviously, we're going to go down, and your support's about 42.27 here. So if we fall down, you want to see if we bounce off of that. That would be a good sign moving forward. If we break below that, then you're looking at retesting about 4,100 past that point, okay? And then if the minutes come out and they're positive, then obviously we're going to go higher up, right? So I do expect some type of pullback this morning, just based off of the technicals, guys. Look at here, every time that we are overbought here, we do fall down, and it's a healthy sign in the markets. You'd rather it kind of pull back slightly and then recover and get a little move to the upside. So it's something to keep an eye on today. So TQQQ, which is going to be tracking the NASDAQ, we got a sell signal as of this morning. As of last night. And your support now is about 35.64, and whenever we get there, you're looking at being pretty close to undervalued, which is a good sign, and that should hopefully bounce off of there and push us higher, closer to that $40 mark. Hopefully we can break above it that next time. But your overall, your support's 35.64, 46.88 is your first key level of resistance there. We'll take a look at the Dow Jones. And let's see here. Also got a sell signal on the UDow. Your support 61.88 currently, and then 66.89 is your overall resistance. So we don't have to technically go all the way down here for our pullback. We can go down about halfway and then shoot back up. But I'd almost rather it see us do that, just come down and actually test the support, because that would put us at undervalued, which would make people, and kind of signal people to come and buy in, because technically speaking, that's the best time to buy in on a swing or a longer term position, is whenever the stock is undervalued or oversold. Okay, so just got to kind of keep an eye on that, but I do expect at least the first half of the day today to be red. So if you're looking to get in on a swing play or an entry, today would probably be a good day for that. So let's take a look at the VIX, the stock market futures, and the Fear and Greed Index. All right, guys, taking a look at VIXCentral.com. The VIX is at 20.36. If we do get a pullback, that number will rise slightly, but overall, you want to see it at about 20 or below. That shows that we have some good stability in the market, and that's a really, really good thing. This number here, we want to see in the positives for sure. If we do get a pullback, this number is going to go lower, closer down to the 1, or maybe a little below. And then as the market starts to rise, obviously that'll come back up as well. But overall, nothing too scary here looking at the VIX. Really nothing scary at all about it. All right, guys, I'm taking a look at the stock market futures. Okay, we're taking a look here at the Fear and Greed Index. Basically, we're right dab in the middle. Okay, is people are like, we're bullish, no, we're bearish, and it's like they can't make up their mind exactly what they want to happen currently at the moment. So if we do go into the red and we start selling off, this little indicator will go further to the left towards the red, and then eventually it corrects itself back into the green. If you do see this little trigger go all the way into the green over here, then that signals that we're due for some type of probably decent sized pullback, because the closer you get to red in here, and all the way down here is extreme fear. This second section is fear. This is about neutral. This is greed, and this is extreme greed. Okay, just keep that in mind. And then if you look at the pre-market futures, it's showing that the Dow futures were down almost 200 points. The S&P is about 30, and then the NASDAQ down about 100. So like I said, we could see the first half of the day be red, and that could be our pullback, and then have somewhat of a recovery sometime around noonish, and then we could see some more red in the afternoon. But I think it kind of depends, guys, on the Fed minutes and what comes out on that. And I'm not sure what time they come out. I mean, they may have already come out. Who knows? All people are anticipating that they're coming out now. So anyway, just wanted to provide that update. Let me know your comments below. Other than that, we'll catch you in the next one.